let's just say round one of SMX playoffs definitely didn't work how Cooper Webb probably wanted it. After coming back from motocross, hurting his thumb again, sitting out the next round, coming back into this, you probably think, he's had most of the summer off, thumb should be healed up after that. Except that. You see somebody like going backwards off the side of the track and joining in, not exactly great. And it gets compounded when the fact is that earned him a sixth place, sixth place penalty for that. So in Moto 1, he finished 8th, suppose technically. And then with the penalty, he finished 14th. And then in Moto 2, he finished 8th again. So I think he ended up like 10th overall. And that was them showing where he went off or trying to show it on the screen. But it's definitely not a great start when you see people like Chet Lawrence come back, go 2-1, absolutely destroy. Tomac looking good, and Webb just kind of like, that's a very middling, I don't know, middling performance, whatever you want to call it, going 14 and 8. Not exactly great. Maybe his thumb still hurts. Who knows about that? What's going on there? But hopefully he gets better. Hopefully for the next two rounds of these playoffs, he, I don't know, heals and is more competitive. But I guess the question is for you guys: did you enjoy it? Did you like watching the track? Did you like seeing Jet Lawrence come back and just be dominant again? Deegan going 1-1 and just putting everybody's words in their own mouths. He's just showing out, saying, "Yep, I may talk a lot, but I'm going to win." And then you've got this where I don't know what's going on there, but comment down below. Tell me what you thought. Are you excited for this? Are you going to any of these? Are you just watching them and who cares at this point? Or whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things the platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.